Hello, hello, hello. Guess what I have in this box? I have my DT box from Mitform Castings. So, listen. I'm so excited. So I thought I would do a unboxing video just to show you what I got. So yes, I've had a little sneak peek. I couldn't help myself. So I thought I would. Let me just move my coffee and have a drink. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Look! I'm so excited. Everyone that knows me knows how much I love Mitform. So to be asked to join their team was an absolute dream come true. I had so much fun last year on their toolbox creative team. So I'll just pop that box to the side. Okay, so let's start with, oh my goodness, look, isn't that just divine? Let me see if I can pop them. So that's the same. Same. Okay, so I'm not sure if everyone had seen their new release, but this is it. So, yeah. So these are their like flower or nature, I guess, because you've got some leaves here. Actually, I'm just going to stand up. So we've got a sunflower. Look how cool that is. I just love how you've got the cogs in there. So then we've got some leaves. And then in here you've got the bell flowers. I don't actually know what they're called. So this one here is Mitform Set Flowers 3. This one is flower set number 4. Then we've got, like, how cool is that? Actually, I'm just going to move my light so that you can see better. Look at that. I mean, the detail on it is just amazing. In here you can see little cogs and you know, like little rivets, and it, I mean, look at that stem. Isn't that just the cutest? So this one's flower set number 5. So then we've got this one here. Flower set number 2. I probably should have put it all in order, but I was just too excited. I just had to get it out of the box. And then we've got the roses. They're just gorgeous. Look at that steampunk in the middle. And even on the, oh, I'm just in heaven. So this one's number 1. Okay, with the roses. So they're really, really cool. So then here we've got some of their older collections. So this one is Marine number 4. I've already done some pieces using this. I love the octopus. So then we've got gear set 20. I mean, a girl can never have too many cogs. And we've got this one. This one is corner set number 4. Got some keys. That's key set number 3. And then we've got travel set number 4. I love hot air balloons, so that's really, really cool. So that's it in the packet. So then they were very kind. I'm going to actually just put some padding down. It's like Christmas bells. I love it. It is like Christmas, opening up all your presents. Okay, so, oh yes. So we've got a frame, so 3 sets of those. Your corners. Oh, another corner. I just love how they are so detailed. It's just amazing. So I've got some padlocks. More frames. I love these frames. Again, a girl can never have too many frames. Frames, cogs. Amazing. So some more padlocks. More clock hands. Got some keys. Another key. Another key. Some umbrellas. 2 more keys there. I find with Mitform, the castings are just perfect. Like they're so easy to use, and I find for me, I think they finish the projects off perfectly. And I think if you've used them before, you would agree that even though they look like they're quite bulky, perfect for off the page. I mean, but you could still use them on a layout. If you have a look, like, hang on, let me see if I can. They're not really that thick. Your bigger stuff, yes. So but again, it's not overly too thick, too high. So I've got some more of the octopus legs, some large cogs. And then some more little cogs and little embellishments, keys. I mean, they're really, really cool as well. So that's that. And then in here, looks like it's more of the flowers. I can't get over the attention to detail. They are just amazing. I'm already getting ideas. So we've got so the lilies. Tulips. I mean, these you could layer them on top of each other and have a really cool fan. So here you could have that. I mean, it's endless. I just think it's amazing. Just the detail of them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got a rose. Oh, some other lily. So then we've got the leaves with the little bellflowers. Sorry, I'm not much of a gardener, so I'm not quite 100% sure what that. I've seen them before, but I don't know the name of those. But super cute anyway. Just amazing. And the beauty with these, I find, is you can put them on your project and leave them as is, because to me, like, very steampunky, vintagey. It's got that whole metal. You got the darkness on top of the brass. Excuse me. But you can go over with gesso, black gesso, and change the colors with your waxes if you wanted to. I've used like Finnabare's texture paste on them, and you don't lose the detail with the castings, but you just get a different effect. Some leaves. That's another rose. And another set of roses. So that's what I got. Amazing. I still have pieces left over from the Toolbox creative team. Let me see if I can find those just to show you. So I'm just going to pop all these goodies back in the box. So I'm sure a lot of you have already seen all the other Mitform goodies, but for those of you who haven't, which be a very few, I'll just show you quickly. What I have. So you've got your pipes. Oh my goodness, that coffee, it's not sitting right. So you got your little U-bends, your corners. I mean, how cool are they? So you could do that one. It's just, skies are the limits when it comes to these. It's just, you could do so much with them. And then I have probably, wouldn't say, look, it's all my favorite, but I think these are just amazing when you have the words. I don't know how many I've got left because I like to use a lot of them. But they have a whole range of those. So then I've got, I love their nautical range. Here's one that I've done with Finnabare's Patina Effect Paste. So see how you don't lose that attention to detail, but it just adds that bit of texture to it. It's really, really cool. What else did I want to show you? They do have a Christmas range as well. I don't have the Christmas range. Where's the hat? I'm dying to use these as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them on, but I am itching at the pants to use them. They've got the little cool corners. I do love their corners. There's another one. It's a really cool padlock there. So lots and lots of products, and amazing products. There's such good quality, and if you haven't used them before, I would highly recommend that you go out and you go get yourself some, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So anyway, that's it. I'm so glad you guys got to come and see what I got, and I can't wait to show you my next project using them. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.